Howdy. It's been a little while. As some of you guys know, I'm a geologist. I go look at rocks for a living. I fly around in helicopters. That's one of the reasons why I haven't really been, well, I say that, haven't really been uploading videos, but I don't know, just get sidetracked a bit, let's say. But you're always on my mind. I'm always thinking about it. I'm always like, oh, maybe I should shoot a video. I actually did shoot a video recently. I went out and found a piece of blue glass and turned it into a cute little arrowhead. But today I want to tell you about something else. It's related to the geology thing. I'd like to try to incorporate the geology into this channel, show you some of the places I get to go, fly around in helicopters, see all sorts of things, kind of take you along for that ride, because it's a pretty cool experience, and I'm pretty happy to be able to do it. So on that note, we're actually giving away a chunk of gold that one of the placer miners found on our property in the Yukon, called 60 Mile. And this is a 1.9 gram gold nugget, and we're doing a giveaway, which all you have to do is click on the link below. That'll take you to our sign up page. You'll get our newsletter. You'll be able to hear all about our, well, future giveaways if this goes well, and if not, you'll at least be able to see our newsletter and see what we find out, see if we find gold, so we get out drilling and everything like that. So on that note, I made a silly video. So I'm gonna play it here in a second, but I used a AI song and edited it up a bit. I don't know. Let me know if you like it, and here we go.
Way up north where the rivers wind, we're chasing gold the old crews couldn't find. Flows got eyes on the quartz and schist, 60 Mile shine, can't resist. There's gold in the 60 Mile, through frost, through fire, through style. We stake, we sample, we smile. There's gold in the 60 Mile.
Well, how did you like that? It was a bit of a different thing. I wasn't gonna just post that without a little bit of an explainer, but all right, thanks for watching, and good luck if you do enter the draw. Hopefully you win, we'll see. Sweet.